TechBond Molecular Bonding Systems 1-2 fixed video on how to repair a broken headlamp tab quickly, easily, and cost-effectively. Once we repair the broken tab, we will show you how to strengthen the repair. Because polyplastics are often molded in long, thin strips, many repairs of long, thin polyplastics will need to be strengthened. We will be making this repair by using the bonding poly process, which is patent pending. For your repair, you will need the basic poly kit, which consists of a structural adhesive, usually SI Blue, our activator accelerator, and our poly prep, an adhesion promoter for polyplastics and other polymers. You'll also need step-by-step instructions, which is what we will be providing here. With these materials and heat, you will repair your broken headlamp tab easily, quickly, and permanently. When plastics break, the two edges usually fit perfectly together. Before starting, make sure the edges are clean. Now, saturate each edge of the break with the poly prep. And let that dry. The poly prep dries the oils on the poly surface and etches that surface. Our poly prep is solvent-based, so it will dry quickly. It is critical to then spray one edge of the break with our activator accelerator. The activator accelerator intensifies the chemical reaction necessary to generate a bond. Let the activator accelerator dry as well. Now, using either a blow dryer or a heat gun, heat each edge until the edges are warm to the touch. Apply a thin layer of the SI Blue, our standard viscosity structural adhesive, to the opposite edge from where we sprayed our activator accelerator. And you can use the nozzle as a paintbrush to make sure that you get a nice, even, thin coat. Bring the two edges together and firmly press together for 10 to 20 seconds. Now, using either your heat gun or your hairdryer, add heat to the seam for another 10 to 20 seconds. And you're done. The repair can take up to 7 days to fully cure. Now, this particular repair is strong and will not break under normal circumstances. Many repaired tabs will need to be strengthened, and it's an easy process. Let's answer your first question. What are we going to use as a patch? There are two options. First is the common fiberglass patch. Our recommendation, however, is sports tape. Sports tape can be found at any pharmacy and is strong, porous, and flexible. Plus, there's an adhesive already on the patch, which can be a big help. So, before you start, make sure you cut your patch to fit the area, which we have already done. Now, saturate the area where you're going to put the patch with the poly prep. and let that dry. Using either your hairdryer or your heat gun, heat that same area until it's warm to the touch. Apply a thin layer of the SI Blue to the area where you're going to apply the patch. And now, smooth out that adhesive. Make sure you get good coverage. Now we can apply the patch, in this case, the sports tape, to the area. And make sure we get that firmly pressed down. Apply another layer of the SI Blue to the patch, making sure that the edges are well covered. And again, smooth out to make sure you're getting good coverage. Once you've done that, we'll go back with our adhesive and add a bead around the entire edge of the patch. This is going to ensure that it's good and stuck on there. Finally, we're going to spray it with our activator accelerator. And that's it. You're complete. Patches add surface area to a repair. If you put a patch completely around a repair, so one on each side of the break, it is like a cast. Patches can add as much as 25% in tensile and shear strength to a repair.
Please check out our 1-2 fixed video library on how to repair your car part or any other broken item in the home, shop, factory, or office. If you have any questions on your repair, please call 877-565-7225.